Meet Brett, a passionate individual who finds solace in bringing order to the chaos. Brett's interests and activities revolve around the joy of organizing and streamlining various tasks. For quite some time, Brett has found immense satisfaction in working in the accounts payable department. His favorite part of the job has always been taking a seemingly disorganized flood of invoices and transforming it into a well-structured system, ensuring everything is handled efficiently. Lately, however, Contosso's unexpected expansion has put a strain on Brett's ability to maintain the same level of precision he once prided on. Contosso recognizes the value Brett brings and is concerned about the risk of losing such a dedicated team member. Initially, the solution seemed to be hiring another team member to share the workload. However, an innovative approach emerged when Lighthouse OSA stepped in. Lighthouse OSA introduced methods to expedite processes while enhancing accuracy, all while fostering an environment where Brett can regain comfort and motivation to stay without the need for additional staff. Step into Brett's shoes for a moment as we follow him through a day in the life of the accounts payable department at Constano, our fictional company. Brett's role involves handling invoices from vendors, seeking approval for payments, entering crucial data into various systems, including a tracking spreadsheet with amounts in different currencies, and promptly sending confirmation emails back to the customer. Picture this. Brett is busy on the phone with a vendor when a new invoice pops up in his email inbox. As soon as the invoice arrives, the desktop flow springs into action, leveraging cutting-edge artificial intelligence to swiftly extract crucial details like the invoice date, company information, contact person, and invoice amount. It then takes charge, dispatching an automated approval request and patiently awaiting the green light. Brett's manager approves the invoice within minutes, all while Brett is engaged on the phone call. In the past, Brett would have had to perform a series of tedious manual tasks. 1. Manually launch the Costano invoice app, as it's only installed on his computer. 2. Capture the new invoice record ID. 3. Convert the amount from US dollars to euros. 4. Add a new row to the invoice tracking Excel workbook. Now, the Power Automate, using the robotic process automation, has automated it all. As soon as the approval is received, it kicks off a desktop flow that impeccably replicates Brett's actions on his computer. The desktop flow launches the Costano invoicing app and enters the new invoice. Next, the desktop flow opens a web browser, navigates to a currency conversion website, feeds in the amount, clicks the submit button, and neatly records the converted amount in euros. This is known as web scraping, and Power Automate can scrape complex websites. The desktop flow then accesses the Excel workbook, adds a new row, and closes the worksheet. Finally, the desktop flow employs an email template to fire off a confirmation email back to the invoice's originator. All this happens within the duration of an average phone call. Thanks to Power Automate, invoices are processed faster with virtually no errors, and Brett is freed up to get more done with less stress. At Lighthouse OSA, we can help you secure, scale, and automate your business.